The 2024 Chevy Traverse infotainment system can experience issues like touchscreen lag or unresponsiveness. A soft reboot resolves temporary glitches. Hold the power button for 10 seconds, then restart the vehicle. For persistent problems, perform a hard reset via Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Data Reset. This restores original settings but erases customizations. Remember to back up important data before resetting. After the reset, you'll need to repair your devices. A July 2025 over-the-air update, version 5.2.1 from GM, has reduced the need for these resets by addressing software bugs and improving Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. If your touchscreen is unresponsive or inaccurate, try calibrating it through Settings, Display, Touchscreen Calibration. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete calibration. If problems persist after calibration and resets, it could indicate a hardware fault requiring a dealership visit. GM has extended warranties on infotainment components to 7 years or 100,000 miles due to these issues. Looking ahead, trends in automotive infotainment include more frequent over-the-air updates. Updates are sent wirelessly to fix issues automatically. GM plans to integrate AI-driven diagnostics by 2026 that can automatically resolve issues, reducing the need for manual resets. Always prioritize safety and never attempt a reset while driving.